love begins when nothing is looked for in return.
Never close your lips to those whom you have already opened your heart.
A woman knows the face of the man she loves as a sailor knows the open sea.
Love is the master key that opens the gates of happiness.
The things that we love tell us what we are.
Love is a portion of the soul itself, and it is of the same nature as the celestial breathing of the atmosphere of paradise.
You know it's love when all you want is that person to be happy, even if you're not part of their happiness.
You really shouldn't say "I love you" unless you mean it. But if you mean it, you should say it a lot. People forget.
You can't blame gravity for falling in love.
Remember that the best relationship is one in which your love for each other exceeds your need for each other.
Happiness often sneaks in through a door you didn't know you left open.
Love is the only flower that grows and blossoms without the aid of the seasons.
Love isn't something you find. Love is something that finds you.
My heart is, and always will be, yours.
Love is not a because, it's a no matter what.
And I'd choose you. In 100 lifetimes, in 100 worlds, in any version of reality, I'd find you and I'd choose you.
Beginnings are usually scary, and endings are usually sad, but it's everything in between that makes it all worth living.
We can talk frankly about our defects only to those who recognize our qualities.
Respect was invented to cover the empty place where love should be.
Reason is powerless in the expression of love.
If I know what love is, it is because of you.
Love cures people, both the ones who give it and the ones who receive it.
Faith makes all things possible. Love makes all things easy.
If you love deeply, you're going to get hurt badly. But it's still worth it.
We've all got both light and dark inside us. What matters is the part we choose to act on. That's who we really are. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and click the bell icon.